Greetings and welcome back. This is section 18, antennas, the Q&A. Okay, which of the following describes a simple dipole mounted so the conductor is parallel to the Earth's surface? Horizontally polarized antenna. In which direction is the radiation strongest from half-wave dipole antenna in free space? Now, when they talk about radiation, it's not nuclear radiation, it's electromagnetic radiation. Okay, it's to the broad side of the antenna. What is the approximate wavelength? What is the approximate length in inches of a 6-meter half-wavelength wired dipole antenna? 112 inches. How would you change a dipole antenna to make its resonant on a higher frequency? You just shorten it. Which of the following is true regarding vertical antennas? The electric field is perpendicular to the Earth. What is the approximate length in inches of a quarter wavelength vertical for 146 megahertz? 19 inches. What type of antennas are the quad, Yagi, and dish? Directional antennas. What is a beam antenna? An antenna that concentrates a signal in one direction. Which of the following methods is used to locate sources of noise, interference, or jamming? Radio direction finding. Which of these items would be useful for a hidden transmitter hunt? A directional antenna. What is meant by the gain of the antenna? Increase in signal strength in specified direction when compared to a reference antenna. What antenna polarization is normally used for long-distance weak signal CW and single sideband contacts using VHF and UHF bands? Horizontal. What can happen if the antennas at the opposite ends of the VHF or UHF line-of-sight radio link is not using the same polarization? The signals could be significantly weaker. What is the reason to use a properly mounted 5/8 wavelength antenna for VHF or UHF mobile service? It offers the lower angle of radiation and more gain than a quarter wavelength antenna, and usually improves coverage. Why are VHF or UHF mobile antennas often mounted in the center of the vehicle roof? A roof-mounted antenna normally provides the most uniform radiation pattern. Which of the following terms describes a type of loading when referring to an antenna? Inserting an inductor in the radiation portion of the antenna to make it electrically longer. And that is the end of the Q&A section for 18 antennas.